Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you're doing well. So for today's breakfast, I am going to cook up a carnivore blend, or it's also called the ancestral blend when you go to your butcher. It has beef heart, and then beef chuck, and then beef liver, and they grind it all up together for you. Some of them already have the grind ready. Other times you can ask for it. And I have seasoned it with cumin. We got turmeric, black peppercorns, cardamom, and Salt Lake City salt. And I will cook this up, then later add a couple more things. Stay tuned. So now it's getting to the consistency where we will add the eggs, because now it's going to start to brown on the edges. We don't want to under or overcook it. So I'll show you what it looks like then. Now I've added the eggs. These are eggs from an organic, humane certified Amish Mennonite farm. So I'm really happy about that. The chickens are treated well and it's a good quality for the price. Then the next step is to add cheese. And now voila, it is finished. Nice and cheesy. We got the Swiss cheese in there. And man, turned out really well. Really popular with kids. It's a high protein, high iron blend. And I really recommend this if you have a cold or you really just want to pack on some of that muscle because you're doing heavy workouts. Lots of calcium from the cheese. And I will serve this with corn tortillas on the side. And I will be enjoying my breakfast, alhamdulillah, with some raw cow milk, which is absolutely delicious. Hope you get to try some raw milk in your life.